Hello Earth Healers! I'm Jonathan from Mauritius and welcome on my YouTube channel. Today this is my 6th video and I hope you guys are enjoying my content so far, and in today's video I got a lot of interesting things to share with you guys. And well, I know that most of you are here to learn how to build a rocket stove with only 2 concrete blocks, and I admit this is some pretty valuable knowledge to acquire during a gas cooking shortage or a post-apocalyptic situation where we will be forced to live in the wood alone with no clothes and dirty dreadlocks and no sliced bread. No sliced bread. Sorry. I was saying, building your own rocket stove is great, but growing your own food and cooking it on the same stone is... Stone, I said stone. Sorry. The same stove is heaven. So today guys, I will be showing you how I usually spend my days in my vegan permaculture world. Let's go. Okay, I know this is kind of weird to start a video like this, but trust me, this is essential for what's coming up. Open up both sides of an old metal food can, and don't forget to carefully fold the sharp pieces of metal before throwing them to the bin. Now let's go for a walk in the garden and find some tapioca. Okay, here's one. We know it's ready to be consumed when the leaves turn yellow. Let's put the camera aside, roll up the sleeves and dig up these edible roots. It's like unwrapping a gift. We never really know what we'll find out in the box. We have to be really careful as we don't want to be damaging the roots, but more importantly disturbing too much the soil life. Wow, look at this. I'm so happy I got this on camera. This is beautiful. And here's the real gardener. Say hello to the Earth Healers, brother. Hello! You're so cute. Okay, let's put it back gently and get back to work. I even found a sweet potato. Too small to be eaten though. I need to wait a bit longer before harvesting them up. Oh, and here's Hermione, the landlord. She's here to supervise the work on site today and make sure I deliver quality content. I honestly feel pressured. Now here's a quick demonstration on how to grow tapioca. Allow the stem to dry for a week before cutting it into pieces of around 8 to 14 inches. Well guys, it's really difficult to be holding the camera and gardening at the same time, so friends, bear with me. When the soil is smooth like this, you just have to push the stem in and the job is done. If you have a compact soil, you need to dig a hole first before inserting the stem in. Give it a good watering and repeat the process during the first few days. After a week, you will notice small leaves coming out from the ground, and the harvest is done when the plant is 9 to 12 months old. Okay, now let's get back to today's harvest. Wash up everything to get rid of the dirt. I wanted to do a lazy job, but well, Hermione is never too far. She even checked if the water has the proper pH level required for washing tapioca. Pfft, she's so fussy. I never throw away used water. In permaculture, you always find a way to reuse something. Hey, don't you trust me, Hermione? Okay, here an experiment is going on. I planted a squash in a bucket full of different organic materials. and I secured a bucket with an anti-snails device. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine till now. I will do a video soon to explain the different kinds of materials I use in the bucket, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be informed of future uploads. Okay, now let's get back to our roots. Peeling tapioca has a calming effect on me. It's like the skin is just slightly stick to the roots. It's really easy and satisfying to peel them off. I never get rid of my vegetable scraps. I always cut them up into small pieces and put them in the compost bin. What belongs to the earth shall return to the earth. This is a small compost bin I made using an old barrel. I made a hole at the bottom to collect the compost juice, which is an amazing fertilizer. I mix it up with some more water, give it a good stir, and let's go for another round of plants watering. I like to cut the pieces of tapioca in half to make them cook faster. Give them a good wash to remove the remaining dirt, and now we're ready to build our rocket stove. We need only two basic concrete blocks. I used a hammer to make a hole in the middle of the first one. At the end, it should look like this. Okay, and here's some crucial information. I wanted to introduce you to Lala, my beautiful girl. About 1 year back, we found her on the side of a highway, unable to walk. We brought her to the vet and we learned that she had a fracture. She was either hit by a car or bitten by someone. We didn't plan to keep her, only get her recovered and put her into adoption. But she stole our heart and don't want to give them back. So now, here she is. She's beautiful. So, after this precious piece of information, let's get back to our stove. For the second block, I broke the first and the second wall as shown. Now let's bring both pieces together. It's a really complicated process, so guys, keep focused. Take the first block and place it onto the second one. And that's it. Yeah, well done. Difficulty level none. Okay, remember the metal can in the beginning? Well, this is our aeration system. It will allow air to go in without being bothered by the sticks, so always place the sticks above it. I use dry leaves and straws to start up the fire. Okay, now let's cook the tapioca. Add some water and a pinch of salt. Okay, I feel like a cowboy right now with this fire and this nice music. Don't forget the fire dancing moves to keep the fire burning, really important. Oh, and hey, this is Picasso, my 11 years old boy, still going strong. Hello, buddy. Okay, meanwhile, let's make a Satini Pomme as we call it in Mauritius. It's a very famous, flavorsome dish accompaniment here. I pick up some tomatoes which I grow on my terrace. It's amazing how we can grow food in small containers. Homegrown tomatoes are nothing like the supermarket ones.
Okay, let's try this. This is out of this world. Quoting avant-garde vegan. Guys, it was just amazing. This is the kind of food I like. Soul food, you know, real one, from the earth, with more energy and more taste. But we're not done yet. Here's another nice tip to add to your gardening knowledge. Never throw away the ashes. This is full of potassium, which is an essential nutrient for your plant's growth, and also a pretty good snake repellent. So, a handful from time to time in your plants will give you amazing results.
Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If you do, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to grow the Earth Healers community. And tell me in the comments how the rocket stove worked for you. You can also tag me on Facebook and Instagram and I will be more than happy to see the end results. Just one last thing before I end up the video. You know, permaculture is not only about growing food, it's also about sharing. So if you think that these informations can benefit others, give the video a share. We might not have a huge impact individually, but I think that all our small impacts, when combined together, can change the world for the better. Peace.